OGC API joins is another standard or candidate standard which is in development currently. This has the potential to be a very important standard because it allows us to join geospatial data with other type of data that is not necessarily geospatial, which is something that we see, we find very often use cases for this, right? So we have some feature data that is in the server, and we want to be able to join this feature data with tables, with statistical tables, for instance. This standard gives access to, on one hand, discovery operations, so to see what you have available on the server, what data sets you have, and then the data joining operation and file joining operation, so actually to join the different data sets. So looking at here, after the common requests, so landing page, conformance declaration, feature collection, this part shows you, basically gives you, tells you something about the server, the implementation, and then it tells you which data sets you can find in the server. And then from collections keys, you start to have the requests that are specific from OGC API joins. So first of all, you can look for the key fields for a specific collection. And these are important because you can use them to connect the different data sets. Then you can have you can create joins. So you can create joins between two different data sets. You can also manage these joins. So you can list the joins that are already created in the server, and then you can also delete a specific join that you don't want to use anymore that is in the server. So basically, this will be what you can do with OGC API joins.